We generally view history as a straight line. Yesterday was the Stone Age, today is the Digital Age, and tomorrow is a pristine, futuristic utopia. Ancient Hindu cosmology offers a different perspective. Here, time is a massive turning wheel, where civilization decays as it spins. This places our modern era at the absolute bottom of that wheel, a period known as the Kali Yuga, the darkest, most degenerate era. This age of darkness began in 3102 BCE, defined by the total collapse of human virtue and moral order. The Yuga Cycle provides a lens to view our modern chaos as part of a larger systemic rhythm, an architecture of time that dictates the rise and fall of human consciousness. The complete cycle, a Mahayuga, lasts 4.32 million years, divided into 4 periods defined by a 4:3 to 2:1 ratio. This dictates each age's duration and the steady degradation of Dharma. In each subsequent slice, exactly 1/4 of that moral volume vanishes. The cycle begins at a peak of perfection in the Satya Yuga, an era spanning 1.728 million years. The defining virtue here is pure austerity, or tapas. It is an era where humans live in such harmony with the universe that they have no need for formal laws or governments. This starting point of absolute perfection sets a baseline for the entire Great Age, ensuring that every subsequent century is measured by its distance from that original purity. The descent begins in the Treta Yuga. As the first quarter of cosmic order disappears, the primary human virtue shifts from effortless austerity toward the active pursuit of knowledge. The cycle then hits a critical tipping point in the Dvapara Yuga. This is the moment doubt and duality enter the human mind. The name comes from the root dwa, meaning two. With only half of the original Dharma intact, society requires ritual sacrifice to maintain order and bridge the gap between the material and the divine. This leads directly into the Kali Yuga. At 432,000 years, it is the shortest age in the cycle, but it represents the nadir of moral decay. With 3/4 of cosmic order gone, charity becomes the final, solitary pillar of virtue remaining for humanity. While traditional texts use these massive millions, modern thinkers like Sri Yukteswar calculated a smaller 24,000-year cycle. This version aligns the yugas with the precession of the equinoxes, the Earth's slow, observable astronomical wobble. Regardless of the specific duration, these cycles provide a logical framework that translates the raw perception as societal decay into a predictable cosmic law. When the cycle hits absolute rock bottom, the texts describe a cleansing cataclysm to clear away the debris of the old world. This reset is embodied by the avatar Kalki. His arrival marks a mandatory cosmic clearing, preparing the world for a brand new Satya Yuga. This 4.3 million year loop is itself only a single unit in a larger scale. 1,000 of these repeating Mahayugas make up one Kalpa, a single 12-hour day for the creator god Brahma. Brahma's full life lasts 100 divine years, or roughly 311 trillion human years. By this calculation, all of recorded human history has occurred exactly at the midpoint of the creator's life. This pattern of a long descent through 4 eras, from a golden age of gods down to a degenerate iron age of men, is mirrored in the classical Greek writings of Hesiod. The Yuga cycle suggests that our era of moral fracture is not a permanent failure, but simply the cosmic winter before a guaranteed golden spring.